Imagine doubling, tripling, or even quadrupling your money. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? But how is it possible? Picture this. You're planting a seed, nurturing it, and watching it grow into a towering tree. That's akin to investing. It's about putting your money to work, letting it grow over time, leading you down the path to financial independence. It's not just about accumulating wealth, but about making your money work for you. That's the power of investing, transforming your money into a wealth-growing tool. If you're unfamiliar with the name Warren Buffett, prepare to be enlightened. Warren Buffett, born in Omaha, Nebraska in the year 1930, is a name that echoes wealth and astute financial acumen in the world of investing. It was at the tender age of 11 that Buffett made his first investment, and he has never looked back since. Warren, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha, has built a reputation for himself as one of the most successful investors of all time. His investment philosophy, which promotes the buying of shares in companies for less than their intrinsic value, has made him a billionaire many times over. Warren, through his company Berkshire Hathaway, has managed to consistently outperform the market, making him a living legend in the world of investing. What if you could get investment advice straight from this billionaire investor? Today, we reveal some of Warren Buffett's most valuable advice. Let's dive right into it. One of Warren's fundamental principles is, invest in businesses you understand. It sounds simple, right? But this is where many investors stumble. Warren suggests focusing on industries and companies that you comprehend and have a keen interest in. This approach not only helps you make informed decisions, but also keeps you engaged in the investment process. You wouldn't buy a car without understanding how it works, would you? The same principle applies to investing. Now let's move on to another gem from Warren's treasure chest of wisdom. Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. This advice goes beyond just being a catchy phrase. It's about understanding market sentiments and using them to your advantage. When the market is booming and everyone is rushing to buy, that's when you should exercise caution. Why? Because inflated prices often lead to a bubble, and bubbles burst. On the other hand, when the market is down and everyone is selling, that's when you should consider buying. It's a contrarian approach, sure, but it's often during these times that you'll find the best bargains. Another piece of Warren's golden advice: the power of patience. Investing isn't about making a quick buck. It's about the long game. Warren has often emphasized the importance of patience in investing, saying, "Our favorite holding period is forever." This mindset allows you to weather the storms of market volatility and reap the rewards of compound interest over time. And lastly, Warren encourages us to learn from our mistakes. He once said, "It's good to learn from your mistakes. It's better to learn from other people's mistakes." So, don't be disheartened if your investments don't pan out as planned. Take it as a learning opportunity and use it to make better decisions in the future. That's wisdom straight from the horse's mouth. Principles that have guided Warren's investment journey. Now that you've learned from the best, how do you start your investment journey? Well, the first step is a simple one. Save money. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people skip this step. Start putting away a portion of your income each month. This might involve cutting back on some luxuries, but remember, every penny saved is a penny you can invest. Now, with a bit of a nest egg, it's time to do your research. Investing isn't about throwing your money at the first opportunity that comes your way. It's about making informed decisions. You need to understand what you're investing in. Are you interested in stocks, bonds, real estate? Each comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Read up on them. Follow the markets. Listen to the experts. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. Once you've done your homework, it's time to dip your toes in the water and make your first investment. This is a big step, but don't let it intimidate you. Start small. You don't need to pour your entire savings into your first investment. In fact, it's smarter not to. As you gain experience and confidence, you can start to invest larger sums. Now, here's where Warren Buffett's wisdom really comes into play. Once you've made your investment, be patient. The stock market isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool for building wealth over time. You're not likely to see huge returns overnight, and that's okay. The key is to stay the course. And remember, investing is not a one-and-done deal. It's a continuous process. Keep saving, keep researching, and keep investing. Over time, you'll start to see your portfolio grow. But perhaps the most important piece of advice we can give you is this: don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even Warren Buffett has made a few in his time. Mistakes are how we learn. They're how we grow. So don't let the fear of making a mistake prevent you from starting your investment journey. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your investment portfolio. Patience is key. So take a deep breath, trust in your research, and take that first step. Your future self will thank you. Like any journey, investing comes with its share of risks and rewards. Now let's dive into the heart of this financial expedition. Investing, in its essence, is a gamble if you don't know what you're getting into. You're placing your hard-earned money into a venture with the hope of seeing it grow over time. The risks? They're as real as the rewards. Firstly, there's market risk. The market is a wild beast, unpredictable and fickle. One day it's up, the next it's down. Economic conditions, political events, natural disasters, even social trends can all impact the market and, subsequently, your investments. Then there's the risk of loss. You might invest in a promising startup, only to see it fold within a year. Or, you could buy shares in a well-established company that suddenly faces a scandal or a significant shift in the industry, causing its stock value to plummet. But let's not forget inflation risk. If your investments don't grow at a rate that outpaces inflation, you're effectively losing money. $1 today might not be worth $1 tomorrow. All these risks sound daunting, right? But remember, with great risk can come great reward. Investing can offer substantial financial growth. The stock market, for example, has historically outperformed other investment vehicles over the long term. And when you invest, you're not just stashing your money under the mattress. You're giving it the opportunity to work for you, to generate more wealth. Investments can also provide income through dividends or interest. And let's not overlook the power of compounding interest, where the returns on your investment are reinvested, leading to potentially exponential growth over time. Moreover, investing can be a path towards achieving financial goals. Be it buying a home, funding a child's education, or securing a comfortable retirement. But it's essential to remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey, one that requires patience, discipline, and a well-thought-out strategy. Investing is a balance of risk and reward, and understanding this balance is crucial to success. So equip yourself with knowledge, consider your risk tolerance, and make informed decisions. Only then can you navigate the investing seas confidently and hopefully profitably. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to financial freedom and wealth accumulation? There's a world of opportunity waiting for you, a world where your money works for you, a world that you can unlock with the power of investing. You've learned about the power of investing, about the legendary Warren Buffett and his golden advice. You've learned how to start investing, and you've explored the risks and rewards that come with it. Now it's time to put all that knowledge into action. It's time to take that first crucial step on your investment journey. It might feel daunting, but remember, every seasoned investor was once in your shoes, and they all started with that first step. Use the strategies you've learned from Warren Buffett's advice. Be patient, invest in what you understand, and don't be swayed by market hype. Treat investing not as a gamble, but as a long-term commitment. And remember, it's better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. But don't stop here. Continue to learn, to grow, to evolve as an investor. The world of investing is vast and ever-changing. It requires constant learning, constant adaptation. So keep reading, keep exploring, keep asking questions. Stay curious and stay diligent. In this journey, there will be ups and downs. There will be successes and failures. But every step you take, every decision you make, will bring you closer to your goal of financial freedom and wealth accumulation. So, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Instead, learn from them. They are your stepping stones to success. And finally, remember this. The best investment you can ever make is in yourself. Your knowledge, your skills, your judgment, these are your most valuable assets. So, invest in your education, in your growth, in your well-being. Because at the end of the day, you are your biggest asset. Your journey begins now. Remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. What's the most valuable lesson you've learned from Warren Buffett? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who are starting their investing journey. Hit subscribe to stay updated. See you next time.